What if I told you that something as simple as what you drink every day could quietly influence your fertility, energy, and overall vitality, especially as you get older? Most men never think about this, yet it plays a major role in sperm health, hormones, and stamina. And here's the first myth to clear up right away. Declining fertility isn't just about age. It's about daily habits. Think about this. Two men, same age. One feels constantly drained, low on drive, and worried about performance. The other still feels energized, focused, and confident. The difference often comes down to what they consistently give their body. Today, we're breaking down 5 simple, science-backed drinks that help support sperm production naturally. No supplements, no miracle cures, just everyday choices that quietly work in your favor. As we go through these, ask yourself, have you noticed changes in your energy or vitality over the years? Let's start with the most underestimated one of all, water. Sperm health is highly sensitive to hydration. Semen is mostly water, and even mild dehydration can reduce sperm volume and concentration. When your body lacks fluids, reproduction drops on the priority list. Think of sperm like swimmers in a pool. If the water level drops, movement becomes harder. Proper hydration keeps that environment supportive and functional. Consistent water intake also helps circulation, hormone signaling, and nutrient delivery. That's energy, libido, and stamina all connected. You don't need extremes, just steady hydration throughout the day. Now, let's move to something with a bit more flavor. Pomegranate juice. This deep red juice is loaded with antioxidants. Sperm cells are extremely vulnerable to oxidative stress, damage caused by free radicals. That damage is one of the biggest contributors to poor sperm quality. Pomegranate juice helps neutralize that stress. Research suggests it can improve sperm concentration and movement when consumed regularly. Think of antioxidants like rust protection. They slow down wear and tear on your cells, including sperm DNA. There's another bonus here. Pomegranate supports blood flow and nitric oxide levels, which can help with stamina and performance, something many men over 40 and 50 care deeply about. Now, here's a drink many people don't associate with fertility: green tea. Green tea contains compounds called catechins that reduce inflammation and oxidative damage. Both are major enemies of sperm health. In moderation, green tea may support sperm shape and motility, while also improving mental clarity and steady energy. 1 to 2 cups a day is enough. Too much caffeine can work against you. Think of green tea as a gentle reset, not overstimulating, just restoring balance. What do you think about using simple habits instead of extreme fixes? Now let's talk about one that often gets mixed opinions. Milk, especially whole or vitamin D. Fortified milk. Milk provides calcium, vitamin D, and healthy fats. Vitamin D deficiency has been linked to lower testosterone and reduced sperm count. Healthy fats act as raw materials for hormone production. Without them, your body struggles to maintain reproductive hormones. Imagine trying to build something without enough materials. Hormones need proper fuel. For men who tolerate dairy well, moderate milk intake can support sperm volume and vitality. If dairy isn't for you, fortified alternatives can still help. And finally, we come to a drink that doesn't get enough attention: tomato juice. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that accumulates in the testes. Lycopene helps protect sperm from damage and has been linked to improved sperm count and structure. Cooking tomatoes increases lycopene absorption, which is why tomato juice works so well. Think of lycopene like a shield, protecting sperm from environmental and age-related stress. This is especially important for men over 50, when oxidative stress naturally increases. Where are you chatting from? Drop it in the comments section. Here's the bigger picture. All 5 of these drinks reduce stress on the body. And when stress goes down, reproductive health improves. Fertility isn't just about sperm count. It's about energy, circulation, hormones, sleep, and recovery. These drinks support all of that together. Here's something crucial to remember. Consistency matters more than intensity. One glass won't change everything, but daily habits shape your internal environment. At the same time, cutting back on alcohol, sugary drinks, and ultra-processed beverages makes a huge difference. They work directly against sperm health and hormone balance. If you're finding this helpful and want more practical, science-based health insights, don't forget to subscribe and join our growing community. You don't need perfection. You need awareness and steady action. Your body is designed to function well, even as you age, when you support it properly. I'm Dr. Alex, and this is The Healthy Body. Our mission is to help you stay strong, energized, and confident at every stage of life. Take care of your body. It's capable of more than you think.